Hello everyone. Now, a lot of new Mac users may be wondering how you do a lot of the different things on Mac, especially if you come from Windows like I did. Now, one example is, let's say you're on Safari and you're trying to figure out how you use private browsing. It's a little bit weird because I think on Windows, if I can remember from how it used to feel, I think it's up here. I say how it used to feel. I literally got a Mac. I literally still got a Windows now, but it's built into the app, right? And Windows, so it's easier. On Mac, it's different. It's kind of a bit strange because what you'll do, you see this icon up here called File. If you hold over it, you can then see it gives you options, and these options are a lot of the time, if not always, specific to the app you're on. So you can see if I click off it, it's then going to say this because it's to do with the desktop. If I go back onto Safari, it's then going to change. So you can see I can open a new window, a new tab. A new window is that. I can also go to a new private window, which will open up the whole new side of things. Like, it's basically like incognito on Chrome, but on Safari. And obviously there's probably a few differences that I'm not aware of. So you can see here, that's how you do it. And you can see it's private because it says up here private, and then you can see the normal one doesn't say anything. So it's quite as simple as that. So whenever you're confused where a setting is, a good place to go, and this is not just for Safari, this is for a lot of things on Mac, is to go to File and see what it says here. And I can close all windows too. And I've actually just found that now. I didn't even know that was there. That's quite nice. And now it's nice and clean again. So it's as simple as that, and that's how you do it.